name's Okuffumba Lazarus. I'm a chef here in King's Apartments.
Okay.
So it's really my pleasure to be live in Baba TV.
Okay. So what are you going to prepare for the viewer today?
Today, I'm going to prepare 2 dishes.
Okay.
One dish is for vegetarian dish, then the other is for non-vegetarians.
So vegetarian nife abatalya mamba.
They don't eat meat.
Yes, ife abatalya mamba banange ona kolwa lero bajja fumba dish da mirundi ebiri diti. Bajja tegekera ife abatalya mamba, then nife abalye mamba era twena batuteekere ni dish that tujja kubanga tufumba olunako olwaleero. So which dishes are we going to prepare in particular?
So a vegetarian dish I'm going to prepare is spaghetti napolitana. Spaghetti napolitana,
spaghetti na macaroni nga butugeta mu lusoga.
Yeah, it is macaroni.
A macaroni.
It is a sauce of tomato. It is made from vegetables.
Neivalia vegetables.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then for non-vegetarians, it is minced meat. Minced meat comes from the meat. They mashed it.
Enyamense, ife tujeta nyamanse. Nze nja kwegesa olusoga nkukobye nti kano kenkugemyemu. Bano babaire bakuzanisa.
It's a real meat. But they mashed it. That's why they call it minced meat.
Okay. Yeah. So tandika okubanga tekera tujja kubanga tusooka naki?
We shall start with the minced meat and the sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
then later, shall do spaghetti. Okay. Macaroni just for 6 minutes, it's ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let us start.
All right. So we are going to start with chopping our vegetables. So preparation is a first thing.
Okay. In
the kitchen. So
we first wash our hands.
Thank you.
Yes.
Soap is also here. So we are really very safe here. No corona.
Yeah.
Onions.
So what do we need today? What are we going to use? What are we need?
These vegetables, we need onions. It's a variety of vegetables.
Yes, onions.
I have carrots here. I have tomatoes here. I have green pepper.
Okay.
I have garlic. So it's a variety of what?
Then the minced meat.
The minced meat is here. So the minced meat. So what we are going to do next is prepare our onions. We are going to chop onions. These onions.
Ombodi waife omulungi ali ku Baba TV tuli kuteekateeka eivali ife erya minced meat era nga minced meat eno ife abasinga tugyeta ennyama ense. Osobola okujja mu katale oba wona woyidi nti ogula oba supermarket ekuli okumpi iwe kuba bukoboti nenda minced meat ojja kujagana eba nyama yene ayeba nse. So nije tuli kubanga tuteekateeka tumaze okubanga tugitaako tuli kuteeka birungo bya kubanga tugitaamu.
So what next? We are going to prepare this green pepper.
Because enyama ense eba nyamanga ntono kyova bona asaza obutungulu buno mu size entontono yasala green pepper kitegeeza nti byonna bino ebijja okujjamu birina okuba nga biboneka bulungi mu nyama mule. Bw'asala ate aganene ng'ere minced meat kiba tikidda kuboneka bulungi kyova bona nga akikoze yabisala nga size n'endala eyo. Ndooza mukono gwaife omulungi TV oli kutambula n'ife tuli ku King's Apartments. Wano mu Bugembe wasobola okubanga oyide wasobola okubanga owumulirako wasobola okubanga olya ekyokulya kyonna ky'oyinza okubanga olya ng'okubye nti kasobuuza buuza Chef Lazaro my dear baida mukulaga kasita banamukulaga aida kubanga akutekera tekera.
I'm going to give you work. So you're going to peel that tomato. The tomato.
You peel and I see, then I peel. Okay, how you want it to be peeled.
In every tomato you have to peel.
Why do we peel? Let someone know why we remove this.
We remove this after peeling, the outer cover. Because sometimes it can choke you when you're eating it. You can see even the way it is.
It is hard.
It is hard, so it can choke you. That's why most times at home there are more kids. You find kids removing this. What? It is not safe for kids. You find them when someone has prepared food, when mom has prepared food with this. They find a kid removing it aside because it's hard for him to do what? To eat it.
Okay.
So I'm just going to do what? To remove the soup. This the soup I'm removing. If I remove soup, let me put it back here. So I have to steam now the meat.
So bw'omala okubanga ofumbye obanga otogweyisaako ennyama yaife nga bwali gitokosaako bwe beeyire obanga eri kuyagitolemu amaadi then banga agikalangako bw'onaagikalanga kidda kuyamba okubanga yeerekula bulungi. That is bw'obanga wagifunye ng'erimu ice.
So now we can put our what? Our onions inside.
So is there a color it is supposed to change to, then we put this, or
The color. Can even feel those flavors.
Yes.
Chop these carrots. So I'm chopping it in small what? In slices. That is very easy for me to chop it. That's why I'm doing it in slices. That's why I'm slicing them. So I'm going to put now the carrots.
so the browning turns when you're already cooking, yeah? When you're adding in other things. You don't wait for the minced meat to brown.
You just when that water dries, it's when you do what?
You start adding in other things.
Vegetables.
Kasitama digakala tolinda ebyo nti ndikulinda minced meat yange oba ennyama enense ekale oba ekyuse kala. Wazza bw'otamu obutungulu oidda bonanga obutungulu era bwegikozeeko okukyusanga kala kwidda kuidanga.
Brown color.
Ebisigaire bidda kubiyaganangayo because already muzira bwito, so bidda kukyusa kala.
I'm going to put now the what? Tomatoes. Put there some salt. Well, we have to put there also tomato paste. Tomato paste.
Isn't it wastage of resources? What is tomato paste made out of?
It is also made out of tomato.
The nyanya.
The nyanya, but
Then
it's
it's
thick. The tomato paste is thick. We are going to add here.
omulungi waife ali ku Baba TV iwe atalya nyama yidukira nti eno mixed meat twakifumbye nga nyama enyama waliwo atalya nyama iwe atalya nyama eivale tuli kuteekateeka n'eriryo iwali vegetarian osobola okubanga olya bino byetuli kubanga teekateeka nkubye nti ne bya bulido tomatoes, green pepper, carrots, you know, vegetables as you hear the word. We save it. Is there anything that is not healthy for our life?
Remove those particles. That's why we see. This is sukuma wiki chopped sukuma wiki. I can either use sukuma wiki or salads. That is why I'm saying. So I'm just removing the outer cover. One way. So it's only six minutes. It's ready.
I've separated.
Yeah.
Okusinzira ku kyefo ife nga bwali kubanga atufumbira atukobye nti bw'oba oli kufumba macaroni nga bwe tugeeta oba spageti tikiba kirungi ino kubwikako bw'obwikako oba ojja kuleeta amaadi ago gaba gajja kutandika galeete kugamba starch oyo aveemu liquid oyo afuuke stitch oba stitch oyo asobola okuba nga avaamu tiba kirungi wasobola okuba nga ogaleka gafumba gatyo gaba nga gayenga gali gati Mboli waife omulungi bino oba salad ife tetufumbye tuzadde tukoze tuzze tetufumbye salad tubadifumba.
So we're now going to plate. Eat meat. You shouldn't use the same spoon. The spoon should be different. And yes, this is for people who eat meat. Now this.